Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog in a day in my life, and I'm your favorite girl, Miss BERIZZY. So let's get into this. Firstly, it's today's Tuesday, and today I feel like I have a couple of things to do, so I want to share. I just woke up feeling productive today, so yeah, um, I'm up already. Already took a shower, and I'm about to go drop off my son now, and then do a couple more errands. So let's go drop off my son. I was driving in not this morning, but it'll be good. So let's head on over there. So I just dropped him off, and now I'm heading to what's this thing called? To UPS to do some delivery. Oh my gosh, my camera is so dark. Oh no, but much better. So I just dropped him off. Now I'm heading to UPS to do some returns for Amazon package because Amazon be flopping on me. Can you guys even see me? Hopefully this is better. So yeah, I'm driving now. I'm going to drop off my camera. Oh, so I'm driving now. I'm going to do some returns at UPS. Oh gosh, what's up with me this morning? I'm going to do some returns at UPS. It's a bit cold. And then I want to head to Walmart because I need some groceries. I need some. Guys, my throat. I do not know what's wrong with it. I didn't want to take my big mic and put it on the camera because I just didn't want to do that this morning. That's why I decided to use this smaller mic. These are Bluetooth mic and stuff like that. I hope the audio quality turns out better and it's giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, I'm just trying to do these errands. My lighting is so inconsistent. You guys bear with me. But let's head now to UPS and do this. And then we head to Walmart. And after Walmart, we'll see where next. But I need to come back home because today I have to be productive. Okay, I'm planning to film 2 videos. I'm planning to film a fashion overhaul, and also I'm planning to film an ASOS shoe haul. You guys know me, you know I do Tarried and ASOS haul quite often because those are the few stores that carry my size. My sizing is a big issue, so that's why. But let's go. Let's see. Today has to be productive. Oh, and one more thing. I have to go do a minor procedure, which is why I'm picking my son up late from school today. Okay, TMI, but listen. So when I had my son, I had C-section, and my C-section was done in Africa, and they left some stitches that did not fall out or they did not take out. And that stitches has been in my stomach for 12 good years because my son is 12 years. Listen, I used to like playing with it, just holding it, you know, but now we're not buddies anymore because that thing keeps poking my skin. So I've had enough of it now. I am going to get it removed, and I'm going to my lighting is really bad, but you guys bear with me, okay? So I'm gonna get it removed today, and oof, I'll miss it, but nah, it's poking me, so that's it. Guys, I came to UPS, and UPS is closed. They're not open yet. They open at 9 a.m. and I was a bit too early. So let's go to my favorite store, Walmart. I'm good. Okay, let's see what we got. $5.95. Okay. So guys, I had to stop and get some coffee. My mic was not recording. That's why I don't like using mic. Let's use the regular camera mic. So I had to stop by Starbucks and get some coffee. This is their favorite pumpkin spice latte. I really, really love this. I am going to make breakfast, but I don't have coffee at home. Well, I have coffee, but my coffee, Keurig coffee maker, I gave it away, so I'm trying to buy another one. But let's go home. Got my coffee. Oh, let's go to UPS. Yes. I'm a little disoriented. I need to put this camera down first. Oh, okay. So this is what I'm returning. Oh my goodness. Everything keeps slipping up. This is what I'm returning. Let's go return this. Returning. Just checking. How we do my camera? No. My camera. This one. Apartment, if you live in a condo, this is the part I hate. The part that I have to take my stuff upstairs. Like I live upstairs and oof, I don't like this. And my son is in school, so that means I have to do this all by myself. Yup. Now let's just do it. I'm trying to make just 2 trips. So I'm going to carry up as much as I can. Actually, I can fit everything right now. Okay. Which is weird, but okay. Actually, can take everything. Yep. That's so silly. But I got everything. So I took everything upstairs. Now let's go park my car. My garage is my studio, so now I have to park my car at the back in the parking lot where I have an assigned parking. Happy holidays to you too. Wishing you the best. I will call you again. I will call you again in early January, okay? Yes. Thank you. Okay, take care and have the best time with your family and loved ones. I will. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're very welcome, baby. So take care. Yeah, bye-bye. Okay. That was me on the phone with a care coordinator. They just call you once a month to check on you and stuff like that. But yeah, I made it home. I don't know. I wanted to film in my living room, but I think I'm going to go down to my studios. But first, let's go unpack the groceries that I got and see if I could eat. I don't think I'm going to make the pancake because one time it's 10:13. I need to be out of my house at 12:30, and I have 2 videos to film. Trust me, filming videos is not easy. So, um, let's see. Let's go downstairs and whew, sorry. I'm so confused right now. Let's go pack our groceries. Well, my groceries with you guys. When you have teenagers, oh, let me take off my hat. Can you see me properly? The lighting is not the best here. But listen, when you have teenagers or preteen, your house is never going to be clean the way you want it. This boy just messed up the whole place. And the sink, he ate and left the stuff in the sink. And that's where it's going to be till he comes back from school and cleans it up. Because, man, I'm tired. But let's put the groceries away and excuse the messy house. But, man, like, I literally just paid the cleaners to come in right after his birthday last week. Oh, my gosh. I told him, take the trash down. The trash is still here. I'm going crazy. I'm going real crazy. So I just finished putting away some of the groceries. I think I really need to clean my fridge because I have so many food from Thanksgiving that's still in there. It's so full. But guys, like I'm really having light head right now. Like my eyes and head is just. So I'm going to go sit down. I think maybe I need to eat a little bit more. So I already put food and I'll try to eat that and see how I feel. But I really don't feel good right now. I turned off the heat. I don't know. Maybe it's too hot, but I don't feel good. I'm having real light head right now. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's just some fried rice and chicken, and yeah, I don't eat a lot. This is probably gonna, well, how many hours ago? This is what's gonna fill me. Honestly, I don't feel too good, but let's see. I'm gonna wait a little bit before eating, and I have water because I already drank coffee, and since I drank coffee, I don't need any more. I'm gonna lay down for a bit. Hopefully this passes off before I need to leave. If I can't film the clothing haul, at least let me start filming the shoe haul. But whew, just when I'm trying to be productive today. So I finally got up and I came down to my studio because I've not filmed down here in a long time. So I converted my garage into a studio. Yeah, I have a tiny one-car garage. So I made that into my studio. That's where I'm at right now. See, let's backtrack a little bit. The reason why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling is because I suffer from migraines. Like right after I lost my mom, I started suffering from migraine. Like it's so de decapacitating. I don't even know. But either way, it just takes so much from you, your life, your day, because sometimes it gives me so much anxiety and it's just crazy. So I have a migraine attack that I've been dealing with since Saturday, and Lord God help me. It's been so the word is not coming out. Decapacitating. Is that the word? Yeah. But it's been so terrible for me. So it gives me dizziness, which is new. I've never been dizzy. So I need to go back and go see the doctor. I need maybe an MRI or something, but I need to go see my doctor again. And that's it. But it's so hard to deal with some days. It just puts my life on this pause and makes me feel so lazy, so tired. It's just too much. But nevertheless, I am not going to be able to film the clothing haul because see, I have so much. Let's see, I have so much clothes over here to film. I bought some things from Fashion Nova during their Black Friday sale. If you didn't get anything, you were sleeping on some good deals. I have to return some because some of them don't fit me, but the ones that fit me, I want to. But honestly, I really feel restless and it's just so much. But I'm going to try to film the ASOS haul. Let's get my ASOS bag because I'm down here now. So I got some goodies from ASOS and I can't wait to, try this on and see how it goes. But man, I hope I can take like 10 minutes or less to do this because I have to go. I want to go to the hospital early so I can be checked in early and daycare start on time and finish on time so I'll have time to pick up my son from school. But yeah. Oh, the quality is even better with this one. So I changed my memory card into this other camera. I only have one memory card that works with my son. So I'm just testing it out and to see the blur. Oh, I have this Sony ZV-E10. I'm gonna do a full review on it. And 60mm Sony lens on it. That's why the quality is so crisp. Yep. Um yeah. Back to reality. So whew, it's almost time I need to go. It's now 12:28 and I don't want to be late. So I was only able to test one, two, three. I have two more. When I come back home, I will do that. But for now, let's go. So I'm here, and as you know, I can't take my camera inside. It's a hospital. And I'm so proud of myself. I'm here on time. The procedure starts at 1 o'clock. Well, my appointment's at 1. I'm here at 12:54, so I'm going up now, so I'm not late. I'll tell you guys about it when I come back down. So I'm late to pick up my baby. Look at him. Look at him. Oh yeah, how can you? Let's go. It's okay. Now I can't take so. I'm back, and yes, I changed my wig because I'm trying to film. I don't want to do no makeup today, but I'm trying to film. I'm back in my studios. I wasn't feeling good, so I had to stay up for a while, and then now I'm back downstairs. And the content that I recorded before going to the doctors, my camera setting was set to slow motion, so I have to scrap and do everything again. Sad parts, but let's get filming now, okay? Alright, let's get this going. Whew, do I look good? I look fabulous. Fantabulous.